The Brain Booster, a 2-minute trick that sharpens memory overnight. Are you forgetting names or where you parked your car? And I know how frustrating it is when your memory slips, especially when you want to stay sharp and independent. Take Anne, 70, who struggled to recall her grandkids' birthdays and worried she was losing her edge. I get it, those little memory lapses can shake your confidence. But here is the good news. There is a 2-minute trick that can sharpen your memory overnight. Anne tried it and felt clearer in days. No pills or gimmicks, just a science-backed way to boost your brain. Stick with me, because you're about to learn how to keep your mind sharp and stay in control. The problem. After 50, your brain changes. Blood flow slows and neural connections weaken, making it harder to remember names, dates, or tasks. This can feel like a threat to your independence, especially when you want to stay active and engaged. I met John, 67, who felt foggy and frustrated when he couldn't recall simple things. Studies show that memory decline affects 40% of seniors, often due to reduced brain plasticity. Stress, poor diet, or lack of mental stimulation make it worse, leaving you feeling less like yourself. The good news. You can boost your memory with one simple trick and a few smart habits. Want to know the trick that helped John think clearly again? Let's dive in. The 2-minute trick memory recall game. The secret to a sharper mind. A 2-minute memory recall game. Here's how it works. Pick a category like fruits and name 10 items in 2 minutes. Try it silently or out loud: apples, bananas, oranges, and so on. This simple game stimulates your brain's hippocampus, the memory center. Mary, 65, started doing this daily and noticed she remembered names faster within days. A study in the Journal of Neuroscience found that brain exercises like this improve recall by 20%. It's fun, takes just 2 minutes, and you can do it anywhere while brushing your teeth or sipping coffee. Try a new category each day, like animals or cities. It's like a workout for your brain, keeping it sharp and ready. Want to know why this works so well? Let's break it down. Why this trick works. The memory recall game is powerful because it strengthens neural connections and boosts blood flow to your brain. When you list items, you activate the hippocampus, improving memory retrieval. A study in neurology showed that daily mental exercises enhance recall by 25% in seniors. Tom, 72, felt foggy until he started the game. After a week, he remembered appointments without notes. The science is simple. Challenging your brain builds new pathways, like paving a road for clearer thinking. You can vary it. List 10 flowers one day, 10 books the next. If 10 is tough, start with 5 and build up. Do it at breakfast or before bed. It's quick, free, and keeps your mind sharp. Ready for more ways to boost your brain? Keep watching. Supporting brain foods. To supercharge your memory, add brain-boosting foods. Blueberries and walnuts. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that protect neurons and improve memory. Walnuts provide omega-3s that support brain health. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that these foods improve cognitive function by 20%. Susan, 68, started eating a handful of blueberries and walnuts daily. She felt sharper and more focused in weeks. Try adding blueberries to yogurt or a smoothie, and keep walnuts in a jar for snacking. They're affordable, tasty, and easy to find. Pair these with your memory game for a double boost. Susan blended her berries into a morning shake, simple and delicious. Want another brain hack? Let's talk about movement next. Brain-boosting movement. A 10-minute daily walk can work wonders for your memory. Walking increases blood flow to the brain, feeding it oxygen and nutrients. A study in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that daily walking improves memory by 15% in seniors. Robert, 69, started walking after breakfast and noticed he recalled conversations better. You don't need a gym, just stroll around your neighborhood or backyard. Aim for 10 minutes, maybe with a friend, to make it fun. This simple habit, paired with the memory game and brain foods, keeps your mind sharp. Robert walked while listening to music, making it a highlight of his day. Ready to put it all together? Let's make it easy. How to apply it? Here's your plan to sharpen your memory. Step 1. Do the 2-minute memory recall game daily. List 10 items, like fruits or animals, at breakfast. Step 2. Eat a handful of blueberries or walnuts daily. Keep them in your kitchen for easy access. Step 3. Walk 10 minutes each day, maybe after a meal. Start with one step like the game, and add the others over a week. Track your progress in a notebook. Better recall. Clearer thinking? Helen, 74, followed this plan and remembered her grocery list without writing it down. Keep a water bottle nearby to stay hydrated too. These small steps will make your mind feel sharper and more confident. You're ready to shine. Conclusion and hopeful wrap-up. You've learned the 2-minute memory recall game, plus brain-boosting foods and walking to sharpen your memory overnight. These simple steps can keep your mind clear and your confidence high. Helen, 74, started the game and added blueberries. She felt mentally sharp again in days. You can do this too. Try listing 10 fruits tonight or take a short walk tomorrow. Drop a comment below and tell me how it feels. I love hearing from you. You're not just aging. You're keeping your brain vibrant. If this helped, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to stay sharp and independent. Here's to a clearer mind and a confident you. See you next time.